Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the phone so the repair goes smoothly. Charge above 50%, use the original cable, and make a local backup now because a system repair can wipe data. Once done, power off the device, then hold the model-specific button combo for recovery mode. On many Vivo phones, it's power plus volume up. You do this to access system tools. Recovery isolates firmware operations from Android, which prevents running apps from blocking the flash or reset. You must confirm the exact firmware and use the right flashing tool, mismatches brick phones. On your PC, install drivers and enable USB debugging on the phone. Then connect and verify the ROM MD5 checksum to ensure integrity. Once confirmed, run the vendor flash tool, follow the tool's step sequence. Load scatter or pack file, select download and start. This writes system partitions and recovery. Make sure to watch progress for errors, because an interrupted flash is the most common failure cause. After flashing, you must clear cache and Dalvik in recovery to remove leftover conflicts. This reduces boot loop risk. Then reboot the system. Expect the first startup to take 5–10 minutes as it optimizes apps. If the phone fails to boot or shows errors, don't panic. Note any error codes, re-enter recovery, and attempt a reflash with verified firmware. One key troubleshooting tip: if flashing repeatedly fails, try a different USB port/cable and a clean driver install on the PC, which fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.